Today, we're exploring the long-awaited DJI FPV-2, the next leap in DJI's immersive first-person view drone technology. Packed with upgraded features, enhanced performance, and unmatched agility, the DJI FPV-2 is poised to transform the FPV flying experience. Whether you're a drone racing pro or a cinematic flyer, this machine offers a thrill like no other. Stick around to find out what makes the DJI FPV-2 an essential addition to any drone enthusiast's arsenal. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Technify, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech and gadget reviews. The DJI FPV-2 pushes the limits of immersive flight, improving on everything fans loved about its predecessor. This next-gen drone combines futuristic design, innovative engineering, and high-speed capabilities to deliver an electrifying experience both for newcomers and seasoned flyers. Starting with the design, the DJI FPV-2 boasts a sleek, aerodynamic body with a lightweight yet tough frame. This build not only improves durability but also enhances agility and reduces air resistance. Foldable arms make it ultra-portable, and the addition of customizable LED lighting boosts visibility, especially useful for night flying or racing. On the camera front, the FPV-2 is equipped with a 4K camera that shoots at 60 frames per second. Paired with a 1/1.7-inch sensor, it produces crisp visuals with vivid colors and excellent detail. Its ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view immerses you fully in the action, capturing expansive scenes effortlessly. Advanced stabilization ensures your footage remains smooth even during aggressive maneuvers. Plus, features like slow-motion video and raw photo support offer creative freedom for all types of projects. When it comes to speed, the FPV-2 truly excels. In manual mode, it can reach up to 100 km per hour, making it perfect for adrenaline-filled races. With 3 distinct flight modes, normal, sport, and manual, it's versatile enough for both beginners and expert pilots. DJI's refined stabilization and responsive controls provide a seamless, confident flying experience, whether you're soaring through open skies or navigating tight corners. The updated FPV goggles V3 elevate the experience even further. With ultra-low latency, 1080p resolution, and a 144 Hz refresh rate, these goggles offer a crystal-clear, real-time view that keeps you connected to your flight. Designed for comfort, they include adjustable diopters so you can enjoy extended sessions without eye strain. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The FPV-2 features an upgraded obstacle avoidance system with sensors facing forward, downward, and backward, helping the drone intelligently navigate challenging terrain. It also includes an emergency brake and hover function that lets the drone stop mid-air instantly. And with the reliable return to home feature, it will automatically head back if it detects a low battery or signal loss. The drone is powered by a robust 2,500 mAh battery, offering up to 20 minutes of flight time. Impressive for a high-performance FPV unit. Fast charging gets you back in the air quickly, minimizing downtime between sessions. Thanks to DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission technology, the FPV-2 can transmit a stable video feed over distances up to 10 kilometers. The advanced signal system ensures clear, interference-resistant connectivity, allowing pilots to focus on the flight without worrying about connection drops. Ease of use is another highlight. The DJI FPV-2 is beginner-friendly, with a straightforward setup and intuitive controls. For advanced users, the system offers detailed customization through the DJI Fly app, where you can tweak settings, view live video, and edit your footage right on the go. The DJI FPV-2 is a true standout in the world of FPV drones. With its thrilling speed, immersive visuals, advanced safety tools, and user-centric design, it's a top-tier choice for drone racers, content creators, and hobbyists looking for high-octane adventures in the sky. If this drone excites you as much as it excites us, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to Technify, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our daily explorations into the world of cutting-edge tech. We'll see you in the next video.